This is the Innova Mud Gear, a 6-ply bias-ply ATV UTV tire designed for conquering muddy terrains. Let's walk through the key specs and what they mean for your ride. A 6-ply construction refers to the number of layers in the tire's carcass. A higher ply count usually means greater puncture resistance and load capacity. Bias-ply construction affects flexibility and comfort. Bias-ply tires are stiffer and often more budget-friendly, providing durability in rugged conditions. The tread pattern features a Chevron directional design with overlapping lugs, providing excellent traction in muddy conditions. Spacing between lugs also matters. Wider gaps help with self-cleaning, ensuring the tire maintains grip by shedding mud and debris effectively. The profile of the tire is designed to handle uneven terrain, offering stability and control in challenging conditions. Available in many standard sizes that should fit a wide range of ATVs and UTVs. Keep in mind, if you're mostly on hard-packed trails or pavement, this tire may not offer the best ride quality due to its aggressive tread design. The Innova Mud Gear stands out for its deep, directional tread and durable 6-ply build, giving riders the traction they need in deep mud and the toughness to take on rough off-road conditions without hesitation.